Hey, Alex, how was your day?
It was good. Just busy with work as usual. How about you?
Mine was all right. Nothing too exciting. But hey, it's always nice to unwind with you.
Absolutely. Spending time with you is the best part of my day. Anything on your mind?
Well, I was thinking about that trip we've been talking about. Maybe we should start planning it.
I'm so glad you brought that up. I've been looking forward to it. Any ideas on where you want to go?
I was thinking somewhere with a beautiful beach, where we can just relax and forget about everything for a while. What do you think?
That sounds perfect to me. How about the Bahamas? I heard they have some stunning beaches there.
Yes, that sounds amazing. Let's do it. I can already picture us lying on the beach, sipping cocktails.
Sounds like a dream come true. And hey, maybe we can even try some water sports or go snorkeling.
Oh, I'd love that. Just being with you, exploring new things together. It's always so much fun.
It really is. I feel like we always have the best adventures when we're together. I can't wait for this one.
Me neither. It's going to be incredible. But for now, I'm just happy to be here with you, talking about our future plans.
Same here, Mary. I love you.
I love you too, Alex, always and forever.